Good day. Another motorcycle project. This time it's my Suzuki DR650, and I'm going to change out the chain and sprockets. So I got a deal on these sprockets from Niche Industries. So I'm assuming these fit properly. They're specified as being for the DR650. And I got an RK chain along with the riveting tool. This chain has the rivet link. So the usual, I'm gonna have to put the bike on a stand. Safety first, make sure it's stable on the stand. If you can't do it safely, don't do it at all, I always say. The bike sits kind of high, so I had to shim the stand with these press boards that I found laying around the house, and then afterwards I just have the under the skid plate supported with these wood blocks and this car ramp. So I had to take off the cover, the so-called countershaft sprocket cover. I loosened these 3 bolts, 10mm socket. This old chain has the clip link. It worked fine. I have no issue using a clip link, but this chain I got has a rivet link, so I'll go with that. It's maybe a bit tricky to rivet it on properly. That's critical. Yeah, so that's step 1. Get it up on the rear stand. Just enough. Yeah, that's enough clearance. As long as I can spin it. I'm going to take the rear wheel off and put on the new sprocket. I believe it's a 42 tooth. That's the standard for this bike. So it should be a few hour job at least. It's got to be done. I think this is a great bike. It goes anywhere. It's been places, this one. So I'll be busy doing that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.